What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's going on with the overall market and talk about some very important levels and why SPY is attempting to break out at this level. But we mentioned I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link, which is down below and in the description. If you sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're guaranteed 7 free stocks. The offer ends very soon in just about 3 weeks. Anyways, for the market right now, SPY is attempting to break out right here. We had this resistance in this 518 area. We actually broke past that, touching 519. And now we're showing a lot more life, and we do have more potential to go higher. Now, I personally think that the market is not going to last like this forever. I still hold my view that there will be a rejection, but we're not ready yet to reject, and the market is still breaking out. This is still helping, once again, the overall market, the other indices kind of follow this trend. So, as a reminder, when it comes to data, just real quick, we have our bill auctions coming in at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have Daly from the Fed giving a speech. So we have some bill auctions coming out, and then we have another Fed speaker. That's pretty much for the rest of the day. The data that's coming out is all very minor. So for SPY, what do I see moving forward? What do I think is going to pan out? We have support now at this 518.25 area. We have resistance now, not really much resistance until we get closer to about 520. The 519 resistance is not as strong, so 520 is now, there's a very, very good chance that we will approach that. And eventually, the 521.25 area is another target that could be coming. So I see some more upside for 520 likely coming very soon, if not higher. This chart is looking bullish and it has invalidated some sell signals. However, like I said earlier, I do believe that the market will reject in the future. So that just means that although I'm not giving financial advice, if I were to play this, I would take profits quickly and not be too greedy. So I just want to make that very clear. Right now, SPY is looking more bullish, and 520 plus is a real strong possibility. Looking forward at Tesla, Tesla is struggling to break 175. It did attempt to kind of hit this and kind of reject it. So now it's just shuffling. We have support at 172. We have resistance at 175 and also at 176.8 and also where this white trend line happens to be. If we look at the trend line right here, we're kind of rejecting so far and we're on a downtrend on Tesla and we're looking relatively weak. So this is the range on Tesla. We're trying to hold 172 as support, 175 as resistance, and we've been going back and forth and back and forth. So we may continue to do this as time progresses. For Nvda, kind of rejecting right here. We just lost this 900 supports. We have 892 support. We're also kind of losing this as well. We have this 885 level to be watching for, and then our 200 EMA happens to be all the way down to the 870s. So there's a risk of Nvidia dipping a bit more since we lost that 892 support. It's not that bearish. It's just kind of slowly dipping. We could get closer to the mid to low 180s, by the way. So I am seeing potential in Nvidia to dip a bit more. But despite that, and despite how much SPY is breaking out, the QQQ is a little bit weaker. We're still in this range. We have 441 is resistance and 442.25. We have support currently at 438 and also these lower levels. Overall, we're still holding up nicely. I could see an attempt to go a little higher, but still, guys, the QQQ is more range bound than that of SPY. Aapl, of all things, is breaking up because of bullish news. So we were kind of stuck within this range. Now we're pushing up towards resistance at 183.5. And we're kind of struggling to really break through this. We haven't been able to get a clean break yet. So if we do break this, I'll be watching 184.25 followed by 185. For support, if we lose 183.5, we're going to be dipping all the way back down towards 182.5 if we end up losing our support. So far, we're still holding up and we're kind of shuffling right now, so it's not really doing a whole lot. But just know that there is still some upside potential in the market. For Amazon's breaking out towards 190. It did end up dipping to 187, came back up to 190. So we're going to be testing that as resistance. If we break that, I'll be watching for potentially 192. And then for Meta, we did come down a bit. We're still kind of shuffling right here. We have 475 as resistance. If that breaks, look for 480. But for now, just watch 475, and we'll see how things go from here. With that being said, guys, thank you all so much for listening. For the VIX has another gap to fill all the way down here. Could dip temporarily, but like I said before, it's not going to likely last in these levels. May take a week or so, could take a few days, but just give it some time. For now, the market's holding up and has more upside potential, and we'll see if there's any more shifts from here. For SPY, we're currently at 518.8. We could go even higher later on, so just keep that in the back of your mind. So far, we're holding up very, very well, and the buyers are in control. All right, so that's going to be a really, really quick update for the markets for now. Thank you all so much for listening, guys. Have a great day and peace out.